everyone, my name is Anam Chahar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing the summary of part 3, lesson number 7 from the book First Flight of class 10. As we discussed earlier that lesson number 7 is divided into 3 parts. In our previous videos, we have covered part 1 and part 2, and in this video, I'm going to discuss part 3, Tea from Assam. In this chapter, we get to know many interesting facts about the most popular beverage in the world, tea. Two young boys, Pranjal and Rajveer, are classmates in a school in Delhi. They are very good friends. Pranjal's father is a manager of a tea garden in Assam. Rajveer is traveling to Assam along with Pranjal to spend his summer holidays with Pranjal's family. The train halts at a station. Halts means stops, takes a break. A tea vendor shouts, "Chai garam, garam chai." They order tea for themselves and enjoy sipping it. Almost all the passengers in the compartment are enjoying hot tea. That's how they begin their conversation about the tea. Rajveer knows quite a lot about tea. He informs Pranjal that 80 crore cups of tea, 80 crore cups of tea are consumed daily throughout the world. Like I said, he knows a lot about tea, so he shares his knowledge with his friend Pranjal. But he's curious to know more. He's interested in knowing more about tea. That's why he's traveling to Assam, which is famous for tea gardens. As the train moves forward, Rajveer is excited to see the magnificent scenic beauty of the vast expanse of tea estates. At the back, one can see hills covered with dense forests, and in the front of the hills, there are vast stretches of tea gardens. Rajveer is thrilled to see the tea gardens as he is seeing them for the first time in his life. He's so happy. He's overwhelmed when he sees the tea garden. However, it is a routine sight for Pranjal as he was born and brought up in these surroundings. He tells Rajveer that Assam has the largest concentration of the tea plantations in the world. The two boys then talk about the origin of tea. Rajveer tells Pranjal that he has read a lot about tea and there are two legends that are famous regarding the origin of tea. First is a Chinese legend and second one is an Indian legend. So the first legend, the Chinese legend, the story is about a Chinese emperor who always used to drink boiled water. Once, a few leaves of the twigs burning underneath the boiling water fell into it. Twigs means very thin stems which are used as a fuel to burn fire. So once when the water was boiling, a few leaves of the twigs burning under the boiling water fell into the water. When the emperor, he drank this water, he liked the flavor. He found the flavor delicious and the leaves got the name tea. That's how tea came into existence. Second story is an Indian legend. It's about Bodhidharma. Bodhidharma was a Buddhist ascetic. Ascetic is a person who renounces the world and spends his time in meditation. Sannyasi. Ascetic is sannyasi. So the second story is about a Buddhist ascetic Bodhidharma, who was troubled with sleep during meditation. While meditation, he wanted to remain awake. He didn't want to fall asleep, but he always used to fall asleep whenever he started meditation, whenever he was practicing meditation. So one day, he cut off his eyelids to prevent himself from sleeping. It is said that 10 tea plants grew out of those lids. So 10 tea plants, they grew out of his eyelids, Bodhidharma's eyelids. Drinking the leaves of these plants, it is said that drinking the leaves of these plants when put in hot water kept a person awake. So these are two different legends. One is Chinese and second is Indian. Rajveer tells more to Pranjal about tea. He tells him that tea was drunk in China for the first time in 2700 BC, 2700 years before Christ. He also tells Pranjal that chai, chini, etc. are Chinese words. Tea was introduced to Europeans in 16th century, and they drank it more as a medicine than as a beverage. So they did not drink it as a beverage, they only had it as a medicine, Europeans, in 16th century. That means from 1501 to 1599, that is 16th century. The train stopped at Mariani Junction. The boys collected their baggage and got down to the platform. Pranjal's parents were already there to receive them. Then they drove towards Dhekiabadi, the tea garden managed by Pranjal's father. After an hour's drive, they entered the garden. Tea pluckers carrying bamboo baskets on their backs were plucking the fresh tea leaves. Rajveer asked Pranjal's father that if it was the sprouting period, which is also called the second flush, which lasts from May to July and gives the best yield. So there is this season from May to July. It is called sprouting period and it is also called the second flush. So this particular period gives the best yield. Best quality tea leaves are harvested in this season. So Rajveer asks this question from Pranjal's father. Mr. Barua, Pranjal's father, Mr. Barua, was impressed by the young boy's knowledge and he complimented him for it. Rajveer is very happy. He feels happy and he felt happy and he expressed his hope to learn a lot more about tea. So yeah, that's all about it. If you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.